Oh, hello. Today we will be doing this proof right here. In our given section over here, we know that E is the midpoint of DF and CD is congruent to FG. So the given will go here as step 1. Then, if you need to, we could add tick marks on the segment CD and FG if you need a visual reference. Then we can say that DE is equals EF because of definition of a midpoint. Step 3 would be CD would equal FG because of the definition of congruent segments. Step 4. CD plus DE would equal EF plus FG. So that would be the addition property. Then step 5 would be CE would equal CD plus DE, and EG would equal EF plus FG because of the segment addition postulate. Then we could substitute, we can take pretty much whatever was added, cross that out, and then we can input CE equals EG because of substitution. I viewed it so you don't have to write it all out. And then the 7th and final step of this proof would be that segment CE is congruent to segment EG because of the definition of congruent segments.
And remember, kids, any odd problems you do have the answers in the back, so feel free to review. The definition of midpoint is computer!
A point on a line segment that divides it into 2 equal parts.
Congruent segments are segments that have the same length, such as segment AB right here, which has a length of 6 centimeters, and segment CD, which clearly has a length of 6 centimeters. These are congruent segments.
The addition property of equality is where if A equals B, then A plus C equals B plus C. Therefore, 17 equals 17.
The segment addition postulate states that if segment AB plus BD would equal AD. So, segment AB plus BD equals AD. Okay, so last part we will be talking about today is substitution. So, if C equals D, then C may be replaced by D in any expression or equation.
We will now be explaining inductive and deductive reasoning. A conjecture is a conclusion reached from inductive reasoning. The counterexample is when the conclusion is false.
Okay, deductive reasoning is using facts, rules, definitions, or properties to reach logical conclusions from given statements.
The law of syllogism is if P then Q and Q then R are true, then P then R is also true. Modus tollens is negating P and Q in a conditional statement.